The Delhi cabinet on Friday approved the setting up of a Konkani Academy in the national capital aimed at promoting the language. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal took to Twitter and said the following: "Congratulations to all Konkani speaking people and all those who love Konkani language. To promote Konkani language, Delhi cabinet today approved setting up of a Konkani Academy in Delhi." Konkani is the official language of Goa and is primarily spoken by the Konkani people, primarily along the western coastal region Konkan of India. Earlier on Sunday, the Delhi government's Department of Art, Culture and Language also set up and notified the Tamil Academy to promote Tamil language and culture in the national capital. As per an official statement, the newly set up academy will soon be allocated an office space with all necessary infrastructure. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.